Nathan Horner, the founder of Nictavi, was born in East Liverpool, Ohio in 1967 and grew up in Chancellorsville, Virginia. Throughout his life, Nathan has been an artist and creative individual. He started surfing while attending art college in San Diego in 1988. Since 2019, Nathan has been based in Hollywood, California, where he founded Nictavi. Nathan has an artificial cornea. This is part of a medical journey that inspired him to start his company. Since the late 1990s, doctors had been treating the primary eye condition in his left eye, but throughout these treatments, there was a secondary condition that was overlooked. After conducting his own research, Nathan discovered that he had nocturnal lagophthalmos, a condition where the eyes don't close completely during sleep. This condition exposed his cornea to the air while he was sleeping, causing damage to the surface. Eventually, the erosion led to an eye infection. As a result, he nearly lost his left eye and was blind in that eye for a year. Nathan received an artificial cornea to restore his vision, but the secondary condition persisted, affecting the surrounding corneal tissue. To heal the corneal surface, Nathan's eyelid was sewn closed for a month on 3 separate occasions, acting as a makeshift bandage for the eye. Frustrated by the lack of over-the-counter solutions for eyelid closure, Nathan created and patented the Tarsus eyelid patch. The need for a comfortable, improved eyelid closure device and method has long been neglected. Yet, there has always been a prevalence of eye-related injuries and disorders that can be addressed or prevented with eyelid closure. Drawing on his artistic background and decades of expertise in working with materials and adhesives at a graphic printing company, Nathan utilized his creativity and experience to invent the Tarsus eyelid patch. Despite not being an ophthalmologist or optometrist, Nathan applied human-centered design principles to develop a solution for eyelid closure that addressed his own condition and prioritized the needs and experience of end users. The Tarsus patch is designed for easy application and painless removal. Unlike other products, the Tarsus patch is applied on the upper eyelid above the lashes, providing superior comfort and sustaining eyelid closure effectively. The Tarsus eyelid patch has various applications, including use by optometrists, ophthalmologists, oculoplastic surgeons, ICU nurses, the military, anesthesiologists, and end users for corneal health, addressing and preventing exposure keratitis and people suffering from stroke, Bell's palsy, corneal abrasions, eyelid function issues, and nocturnal lagophthalmos. Clinicians have also been using the Tarsus patch during ocular amniotic membrane therapies and in tandem with other products and treatments to improve the eyelid closure experience, compliance, and outcomes. Nictavi holds 2 U.S. patents and trademark protections in China and India. The company's packaging art and wording are copyrighted, providing a competitive advantage and safeguarding its innovative solutions. Nictavi is an FDA-registered entity, and the Tarsus eyelid patch is a listed device. The company has obtained Certificate to Foreign Government Approval, also known as CFG, in Australia and Spain, as well as TGA approval in Australia. These regulatory approvals ensure compliance and facilitate international expansion. While Nictavi is a relatively new player in the market, it has already gained recognition in the eyelid closure space. Existing options for eyelid closure, such as the eye lock and Sharna eye guard, come with various drawbacks and discomfort, while tape measures are unreliable and can cause irritation or injury. The Tarsus eyelid patch offers superior comfort, effectiveness, and ease of use, positioning Nictavi as a leading innovator in the field. The Tarsus patch offered by Nictavi provides several advantages over existing alternatives. Its unique design ensures sustained eyelid closure without causing discomfort or bunched lashes. The patch is easy to apply and remove, leaving no residue. Users can administer medicine or artificial tears with ease. Unlike repurposed materials, the Tarsus patch is specifically designed for eyelid closure, offering unparalleled effectiveness and comfort. Nictavi received a $36,000 grant from the Consortium for Technology and Innovation in Pediatrics, an FDA-funded MedTech accelerator, supporting pediatric device innovators from concept to commercialization. The grant was utilized for research, development, and manufacturing. Now the Tarsus eyelid patch is being utilized in clinical settings at renowned institutions like UCLA's Jules Stein Eye Institute and the Vision Center at the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. This validation from esteemed institutions has positioned Nictavi as a trusted provider of our innovative eyelid closure solution. In 2022, Nictavi was recognized as one of the 15 most innovative startups in optometry by the American Academy of Optometry. Also in 2022, a study conducted by CHLA and the USC Roski Eye Institute found that 92% of caregivers claimed they would use the Tarsus eyelid patch for eyelid closure over other methods tried. Eye care professionals, caregivers, and people suffering with eye and eyelid health issues can finally protect and heal using a device that revolutionizes the use of eyelid closure as a treatment and therapy. Nictavi operates as a manufacturer of durable medical equipment, also known as DME, and is also a B2B wholesaler. Additionally, they've established a retail e-commerce presence. While their primary focus is selling in bulk to channel partners, they have also experienced significant traction through their direct-to-consumer e-commerce platform. Nictavi has received considerable interest from international markets as well. Nictavi has implemented a lean launch strategy, offering sample products to early adopters and utilizing social media marketing to target specific groups. The company's next steps involve scaling to health systems and international markets, pursuing military contracts, and transitioning to over-the-counter sales. Nictavi aims to establish strong channel partnerships to become a leading wholesaler in the long term. The Nictavi team is led by Nathan Horner, the founder and CEO, who studied art, typography, and computer graphics at universities in California and Virginia. With 20 years of expertise working with 3M materials and adhesives, his experience is drawn from working at graphic printing companies. He brings his creativity, unique user perspective, and expertise in materials and adhesives to the team. Nictavi benefits from the experienced accounting expertise of Edward Ricalde and has been privileged to have the support of Dr. Anthony Aldave, a UCLA professor of ophthalmology and chief of the cornea division as an early-stage clinical consultant. Additionally, Nictavi benefits from the guidance of advisors and consultants from the Small Business Development Center, or SBDC, and the Consortium for Technology and Innovation in Pediatrics. Nathan has been collaborating with Mike Lohman, an engineer at High Tech Products in Buena Park, California, since 2018. High Tech Products is a trusted partner specializing in custom precision die cutting services in clean rooms. With over 40 years of experience and certifications from 3M and ISO, High Tech Products ensures quality, compliance, and efficient manufacturing processes. Nictavi, led by Nathan Horner, offers the innovative Tarsus eyelid patch, addressing the unmet needs of eyelid closure in eye care. With clinically validated products and partnerships with renowned institutions, Nictavi is well positioned to capture a significant share of the expanding eye care market. The company remains committed to reducing suffering, preserving sight, and improving the experience of eyelid closure, contributing to the advancement of cornea care. Thank you for your time and consideration. The Nictavi Tarsus eyelid patch was the focus of a poster presentation entitled Tarsus Eyelid Patches, a new alternative treatment for exposure keratopathy by Dr. Olivia Chang from the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. This presentation took place at the 2021 American Academy of Optometry Convention in Boston. This prestigious scientific and clinical validation of their product and method is helping to facilitate its adoption in the markets and healthcare systems. In 2022, a clinical trial was conducted by Children's Hospital Los Angeles, or CHLA, and the University of Southern California Roski Eye Institute. The study validated the effectiveness of the Nictavi Tarsus eyelid patch. It also revealed that 92% of patients would choose to use the Tarsus eyelid patch over other methods they had tried. This study was presented at the 2022 ASO PRS conference in Chicago. It's also published at clinicaltrials.gov.